Hello! Welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing an Aritzia haul, which you guys have been asking for a while, but to make it even sweeter, this is all about their sale. So on June 21st, they have every single thing up to 50% off on sale. So that's in-store, online, everything that you could possibly want, which is a little bit scary actually. I'm just kidding, it's amazing. So I did kind of like a pre-shop and I've teamed up with them to show you some of my favorite pieces from the sale. First and foremost, I finally got the Lennon jacket. This is their line of leather jackets that came out. It is so soft and beautiful and I love it. It's a little bit cropped. It looks really good with dresses because it kind of hits you a little bit above your hips. So it's at a bit of a smaller part of your waist. I have an old Aritzia massage jacket from like 10 years ago. I love it, but the strap isn't attached and it falls off all the time. Like I'll be walking down the street and it'll just fall off and somebody will be like, is this yours? Anyway, so I'm so happy that they attached the kind of bottom strap at the back so you don't have to worry about that. So you still get that like cool moto look without having to worry about literally losing your strap. And I'm wearing it over this WILFRED slip dress. This is the dress version of the navy camisole that I have and I really liked how it fit up here and I kind of fell in love with this color. It's so pretty. It's kind of like a rose bronze kind of thing. For sizing, this is a size small, so I definitely would size up. Otherwise, it'll kind of hug your hips and your butt, or it hugged my hips and my butt, and you want it to be more like flowing and easygoing. In terms of size for the leather jacket, this is an extra small. I could have gone with a small, but leather does stretch out a little bit, and I did want it to be kind of cropped and small. So I've got my white mules on. This is such a cute outfit for like dinner or drinks or whatever. I'm obsessed with this color. Thoughts? Feelings? This is very exciting. This is my wedding makeup. I did a tutorial on this makeup just before I started filming this. And this is pretty much what I'm gonna be wearing on my wedding day. I will link to this wedding makeup tutorial for you guys. Hi. This outfit is perfect for work. Just kidding. No, these pants are, but the shirt is not. The shirt is so cute. It reminds me of Realization Par, which is a really cool French brand. And I've paired it with these high-waisted trousers. They're cropped and super flattering. So they're really good to wear to work or to wear with some kind of crop top to dress them up a little bit. Yeah, I really like this top. To make it more casual, you can also throw it on with jeans. But remember, high-waisted, I wouldn't wear it with something low. It's just not cute to do that in general. Let's try and stop doing that. Okay. I think I am gonna try it on with jeans though, to show you guys. It's so cute. So these are the Citizens of Humanity Dree crop. I've worn these in quite a few hauls, but they are also available at Aritzia. And they are a bit high-waisted, so that works out nicely. Just remember to wear a little something right here so that there's no peep shows. I love a good jumpsuit and I fell in love with this color. It's the most beautiful oatmeal color. So this one has a bit of a slice right here. I thought it was the perfect summer wedding outfit. It's really cute and flattering, but it's not too much and the color is really gorgeous and I love it with these white heels. You could also wear this to the office. Like not a super conservative office. You could wear this, throw it on with a blazer, look really cute. This would also look really good with the leather jacket over top. And it's so comfortable. Pockets are perfect. I've tied it pretty tight just to kind of cinch my waist in, but you can kind of go a bit lower if you want. If you're feeling a little sassy, just to show you what it looks like with the leather jacket. I love leather with this color, this oatmeal color. I think it looks really pretty. I love this outfit. Next up, another kind of crop tie top. This one's from Wilfred. It's really pretty. Again, please wear nipple covers. These ones are the group by BABATON, and they're really comfortable, but they're also cute, so you can wear them out of the house or around the house. They're exactly what I was looking for in terms of comfortable summer shorts. This is an extra small. I would maybe size down just because it's a little bit voluminous and you don't want to have too much fabric around, able to like flow away from your body. All right, so again with the Dree crops, if you can get a high-waisted pair of jeans that preferably cover your belly button, I think it's really sexy to have this part of your abs out. It's like the perfect summer top. It's like kind of French, kind of effortless. I love bodysuits in the summer. It's kind of ribbed and it's got a pretty low back. I love that you can just tuck them into shorts or jeans and you don't have to wear a bra with them, and they're really comfortable. This is a definite must-have on my summer clothing list. What do you guys think? Are you bodysuit fans? I especially like them with kind of like vintage looking high-waisted jeans. I think they look really kind of retro and cool. Aritzia has a ton of bodysuits right now, so if you're looking for one, definitely check out their sale for that. Okay, last but not least, this is not a black jumpsuit. It is a crop top, like a strapless crop top, and those black pants that I wore at the beginning of the video. I know a lot of people over like 20 or 25 probably wouldn't buy a crop top, but it's actually a really great piece for high-waisted pants. And you can show like a sliver of skin or not if you don't want to. Like I would totally wear this outfit to a wedding, a summer wedding. I think it's really cute. And you can wear it with high-waisted jeans, a high-waisted skirt. It's actually a really versatile, great piece. It is from Community, nope, it's TNA, and it's 20 bucks. I did want to share a tip with you guys because whenever I put bodysuits or kind of like tube tops like this on, I always get not even like deodorant, but just like lotion, just little like white things from whatever's on your skin. They have those little kind of like square spongy things that you can buy to help get the deodorant or lotion or whatever off, but all you really need is a dry washcloth. Basically, you just scrub and it'll come right off. I've already done this, so there's nothing there. I just wanted to share that because it happens to everybody and it's a really good tip or a really good hack. I have one more jacket to show you guys and then I will leave you to shop in peace. Okay, I wouldn't necessarily wear it with this outfit, but I just wanted to show you guys this black denim jacket. I'm actually not the biggest denim jacket fan. Whenever I put them on, I kind of feel silly, not like myself. But I really like this black one. I think it'll be perfect with summer dresses, throw on a hoodie, and this over top if it's colder. In terms of sizing, definitely go down 1 to 2 sizes. This is a double extra small. Okay, you guys, that is it for me. I hope that this was helpful and that I won't do too much damage to your bank accounts. If and when you guys shop the sale, let me know what you got in the comments. And I'll also be linking all the pieces. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.